to the Ragged Coast Kitchen. I'm Kate, and today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry and pistachio, bittersweet and white chocolate marbled bark. That was a mouthful. I'm sure you can come up with a better name than that. But this is also a great candidate for a holiday dessert table or a holiday cookie tin or cookie swap. It's pretty easy once you have your chocolate in temper. We are using tempered chocolate for this recipe. So let's get right into it. We have 10 ounces of tempered and melted bittersweet chocolate. I'm using the 56% dark chocolate couverture, and then 8 ounces of melted and tempered white chocolate. I'm using our single origin Ecuadorian white chocolate. We're going to spread the dark chocolate first onto this half cookie sheet. Then we're gonna take our white chocolate, which is setting up very quickly here. It doesn't have to look nice. We're gonna marble it in. All right, so we're just gonna go back and forth. White chocolate is setting pretty fast, so I don't wanna keep going too long there because I wanna make sure that I can flatten it out. I've got chopped and whole pistachios, and these are roasted and salted. I do recommend roasted. They don't have to be salted if you'd like to avoid the salt. And then dried cranberries here, about a half a cup of each to start. You may not use all of it because we want that marbled stuff to show through. And we're just gonna scatter those on. And this gives it a nice red and green color. Okay, and once you have the desired amount of topping on your bark, we're gonna slam it onto the counter again to settle those ingredients into the chocolate. Now we're gonna put this in the refrigerator to set. It's gonna take between 5 and 10 minutes, or if you have a very cool room to set this in, it could set at a very cool room temperature. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator and we'll come take a look at it in about 5 minutes. Our bark has set in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Alternatively, we could have set it at room temperature for a little longer, just so long as our room was cool, but it's just really quick and easy in the refrigerator with that tempered chocolate. Now we're ready to break it apart. Got a nice solid piece here. You could put anything on the bark, of course. I just like the colors of the pistachio and the cranberry. You could also break the pieces much smaller and use them in your holiday cookie tins or cookie swaps. And there you have it, our bittersweet and white chocolate marbled bark with pistachios and cranberries. If you have questions about this recipe, go ahead and comment below. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time in the Ragged Coast Kitchen.